Hello guys, it's me ARKIdose again. Sorry for the late update of my new video. And this is the Theory of Architecture by ARKIdose Part 2. And let's start. So, centralized organization. Secondary spaces are grouped around a central dominant. So, nasa gitna, yung mismong, like this one. So, ito yung common area. And centralized, like this one, it's a stadium or where the players play, and a number of secondary forms clustered about a dominant central parent form. So linear organization, spaces may be repetitive but may or may not be alike in size, form, or function. The path does not have to be straight line. Basta it's linear, dire-diretso, but different shape. Pwede. Ito yung examples of linear organization. The next one is radial, and the central space is normally a regular shape. So like this one, it's look like a propeller. A composition of linear forms extended outward form a central form in a radial manner. So, clustered organization, ito yung collection of forms grouped together by proximity or the sharing of a common visual trait. For example, is the falling water of Frank Lloyd Wright, and some buildings na mukha siyang modular. The next one is the grid organization. A set of modular forms related and regulated by a three-dimensional grid. Okay. So, the principles of design is number one is contrast. The function, anthropometric, scientific laws, and structural requirements to the natural environment, to economics, to social order. So the second one, principles of design, is hierarchy. Meron na tong imaginability, interest, association, emotional effects, reflecting use and users, reflecting values. So, scale. Sa scale naman tayo, pangatlo na principle. So, association with the nature, position in space relative to the object, experience, values, scholar sequences, and economics. The balance. Balance versus proportion, balance versus lack of contrast, or emphasis, and axis. So, symmetrical balance. Ito yung types of balance. Symmetrical, kung ano yung makikita mo dun sa left and right is pantay. Like this one, you can see it on the other side. Yes, may dalawa. May tag-isa sila. Unsymmetrical balance, which is ito yung hindi pantay pagdating sa volume, sa shapes, like this one. Sa left side niya, mas bigger na shapes and small one. So, small sa right side. So, asymmetrical balance. So, rhythm, ito naman yung repetition of shape. Pero, makikita mo, tuloy-tuloy yung flow, like this one. Wave, rhythm, parang music. Pero, pare-pares ng shape. Ito naman, nagkaroon siya ng rhythm, pero dikit-dikit pa rin siya. same as size, same as the shape, but the size differ. Okay, another type of freedom naman. Another principles of design is color, hue, tonal value, and chroma or intensity. Hue naman is um, the color itself. Okay? Ito yung color has a three-dimension colors. Hue, tonal value. Hue is the color itself. Tonal value is the lightness and the darkness. And the chroma or intensity, ito yung brightness of dullness. Okay? Design process, may mga stages yon yung design process. So, yung design stages, meron siyang initiation, which is the problem identification. Okay. Preparation is the collection and the analysis of the information. Proposal making naman, this is the synthesis, bringing together a variety of consideration. Okay? Like, site analysis, ganyan. Lahat, mga SWOT analysis. Yan. Example of proposal making. A lot of analysis nandun. Prep. Yan. So, and then, evaluation based on goals. Okay, based on goals, evaluation. So, iteration naman, that one is the cycle or the feedback. Okay, cycle ng projects. So, the next is architectural programming. Ito yung two main areas of concern ng architectural programming. Analysis of the existing state and the projection of what the future state should be. Okay? And that's all. Thank you. God bless and sana makatulong yung aking video. Thank you.